Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another Saturday walkthrough through our garden. It's a cold, dewy Saturday morning. You can check out our kale. That's pretty much the end of it. Gonna harvest. There's our lettuce growing in some pots. Our herbs. Our lettuce growing over there is not doing so good. We planted more daikon there, which is coming up. Our daikon here, gonna harvest some of it. Lettuce growing over there. Ooh, it's nice and chilly. Here's a look at our pineapple. Let's see how long it takes. So our bed's over here. Our Chinese lettuce bed. We're gonna have this go to seed, harvest some seeds. This is our beet bed. One last beet. We're gonna plant more here. We replanted. Oh shucks! I forgot to move the fence over here. So we planted beans in here, but it looks like something dug up the seed, so I got to replant. Our beans doing good. Shiso over there is doing good. Let's check out our... Oh, I keep forgetting to pull these onions out so the ginger can grow. Our door is fixed. I'm gonna transplant the rest of our lettuce. There's our mulberry, which is doing really well. Got to weed that out. Our papaya is doing nicely. Nice dark green leaves. Let's check out the bottom beds. Oh, our lily koi. We should have some to harvest. Got to go dig through this weekend. Our chayote, you can see some growing up in the tree over there. There's one over there. Looks like it's dying back a little bit. Whoa, one came way up here. Gotta cut that out. Oh, we have some eggplants. There are the eggplants. Pull back this chayote. Our pepper plants, no peppers, but they're getting big. Ooh, lots of lettuce. Lots of lettuce again. I'm gonna pull that zucchini plant out. We have more coming up over here. Our new winter melon. Beets like it over here, so we're gonna keep the beets growing on this side. Cucumber coming up. We're gonna harvest some beets here. Some of them ready to go. There's another mulberry plant right there. Let's check out the last beds. Oh, look. Another weird winter melon. I wonder when these stop producing. There's our lettuce by the sidewalk. Our carrots are doing really well. We still didn't make the other bed. Oh, the zucchini plant died. I wonder what happened. Purple potatoes. You gotta try to dig it. Oh, this one got huge. This one's doing well. It's amazing how fast these guys grow. And we have our new chayote coming up over here, which you can see right there. So I gotta probably weed out this area. Well, not sure what we're gonna do today. We may go fishing. We'll see what happens. Gonna do some gardening. Really gotta cut the grass too. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.